Let's do it. Okay. So we start with Sefer Chofetz Chaim. And the big topic is different. New topic, listening to Rechilus. Okay. Today's topic, the prohibition. As a case of Lashon Hara, one must do his best to ignore someone who is about to begin or has already begun to speak Rechilus. So Rechilus meaning negative information about somebody else, what they spoke about us, okay, or about somebody close to us, right? So ignore it. If someone begins talking of how a person has wrong, one person wrong another, to willfully listen as he continues to speak is, according to Chofetz Chaim's, violation of do not accept false report. So meaning if you continue listening, that's what our category is. Do not accept the false report, which is one of the prohibition, negative commandments of Lashon Hara. But it says the Shmos 23:1. So basically just say, I'm not interested, and walk away. That's what I do. Okay. Just as it is lowly to speak gossip, so too it is not befitting a respectable human being to listen to the gossip. So not to speak and not to listen. Okay.